All right, so one important concept in pure rolling is the description of motion for the point, which is subjected to the velocity due to rotation and velocity due to linear translation. So if you see that point is continuously moving, and at the top the velocity finally becomes 2v, and at the bottom the velocity is 0. And if you draw a graph or trace the motion of this point, which is changing its velocity due to two motions included in it, you will find that the graph comes out to be a cycloid. So you must remember the path traced by any point on the body is a cycloid. So you can see the description of circle. What is comparable with this is the motion of the center of mass, which is a straight line. So center of mass is doing a straight line motion, whereas the point on the body at the edge of the body, which is rolling, is traversing a cycloid motion. Thank you.